Imagine you're delivering a PowerPoint presentation. Your audience is sitting on the edge of their seats. They are riveted. Your slides look fantastic, clear, easy to understand, and you designed them. But you're not just sitting there reading. Oh no, you're delivering in a commanding way. Hi, I'm TJ Walker, and I'm so happy to be delivering this online course to you. Every aspect of how to create PowerPoint slides and deliver them. I'm really proud to partner with Imran Afzal, one of the premier technology instructors on Udemy and the world. Imran?
Thank you, TJ. Yes, so this is one of the best courses that you're going to find out there. Why? Because this course teaches you everything about creating simple to most professional PowerPoint slides. No matter where you are, which profession you are in, if you are a student and you want to impress your teacher, this is the course you have to take where you're going to learn how to make PowerPoint presentation. If you're in a business world and you want to impress your boss, you want to impress your audience, or even if you want to get $1 million budget approved through your presentation, this is the course that where you need to learn how to make effective PowerPoint slides. Yes, my name is Imran Afzal, and I've been in the IT industry for almost 20 years and more, and I know inside out how you can make an
Let's dive in with a quick win. If you're giving a PowerPoint presentation and you want everyone to look at you for a second and not at the screen, just hit the letter B on your keyboard. It blacks out the screen. People have no choice but to look at you. Hit any key whatsoever, and the screen pops up on what you had before. Another quick win. The most powerful way of using a PowerPoint slide when you're projecting in front of other people is to have one image per slide. Now, Imran is going to teach you how to have every kind of chart, number, line, graph. There are times when you have to have that. But the most powerful thing you can ever put on a slide that you're projecting is a single image. Think about that. We'll teach you all the other complexities, but don't lose sight of that. Here's the last big quick win I want you to think about before we really dive into PowerPoint creation. The first is what you need to do in order to be completely confident that your slides come across well to your audience. You need to not just look at your slides on a computer screen. They typically look great there. You need to project your slides in the room where they will be shown and then go to the back of the room and see, can you make it out? Some slides look great in front of a computer screen 12 inches away. If you're 50 feet away, it's confusing and chaotic. So if you can look at your slideshow from the back of the room, whatever room it's going to be shown in, and you like what you see, then it passes the test. Now, the second part, how can you be completely confident knowing you're giving a great PowerPoint presentation, that you're coming across confident? Here's the secret. Practice your presentation on video. Just pull out your cell phone, record it, look at it until you love what you see. I'll go into a lot more detail on that in part 2 of this course. I'll give you everything you need to know in order to be a world-class presenter. But for now, keep that